para sa mga parentes. You know, of all parents, sa atin po itong mga anak. And God has plans for them. Yeah? So, in a way, na kayo po ay napili to take good care of the welfare of our children. So, meaning that you have that special ability to uplift them, yeah, and to empower them. Congratulations po sa inyo. We should not look at this opportunity as a burden, but we should look at it as an opportunity for us serving not only as the parents, but as caregivers and as empowerers of these young people. So it's a privilege and something that we need to look at it on a positive view, mga kasama nating mga parentes. And of course, lastly, tayo po ng mga officers, kabilang na rin po ang ating mga barangay officials and lahat din po ng mga tumataguyod sa karapatan ng ating mga PWDs. We salute you. Ito pong organization na ito, tuloy-tuloy natin. Ito pong organization na ito, i-partner natin sa iba't ibang mga opisina. Well, this is Irisan PWD organization. You are not distinct and separate from the Barangay Council because we are under the umbrella of the Barangay Council. Kaya importante sa atin, alamin natin yung tinatawag nilang plano, yung Barangay Development Plan ng ating barangay, kung ano po yung ating mga programa dapat anchored with that Barangay Development Plan para yung tinatawag nating alignment, magtulungan. In a way, na kayo po ay nakafocus sa programa para sa ating mga PWDs. Because the government could not do it alone. Because of you, our partners from the private sector, or even our partners from the barangay, in a way that we could be able to advance our city in the highways of development. And finally, ulit, no discrimination here in the city of Baguio. Baguio City envisions itself as an inclusive city. Syudad para sa lahat. Komunidad para sa lahat. Barangay para sa lahat. Na dapat tayong lahat ay angat basta't mayroon tayong kultura ng pagtutulungan. At yan po ang pinagmamalaki natin dito sa ating Region Cordillera. Maraming salamat, congratulations, and mabuhay ating mga PWDs sa buwan ng barangay. Thank you.
Thank you, our honorable councilor, kasi siyempre medyo marami kami mga maraming mga activities na lagi kami